Hello everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today I'm going to walk through you about Cypress framework with the BDD. So we will see what and all the steps we need to take care. And first time we are creating the Cypress BDD framework in our tutorial. Uh, so I hope we will understand. I'll give the best for you. Okay. Now, before that, guys, you are able to see my screen, right? Guys, this is our channel. Please subscribe our channel. Here we are going to deal with more about manual and automation testing, Playwright, Cypress, Selenium, API testing with Postman, Rest Assured, test management, DevOps tools. And also I have created multiple platforms, so you can go through and watch our videos from here also. You can get directly access to our channel. And guys, so we are using this demo application for our project. So we'll start implementing the Cypress BDD framework. Okay. Before that, so we will create the framework. See the features I have created already. This is the features file. This is the pages. This is the step definitions. Okay. Steps we are going to write test case. Step definitions are nothing but test cases. Pages means page objects, and features we are going to implement here pages. See, first one is here, right? This is our application, right? Here I'm going to create the login page, and we'll enter all the fields here. We'll click on login. See, first we'll launch the URL. We'll try to provide the username, password. After clicking enter, we will navigate to the dashboard page. So we will check this is our dashboard page. We are successfully navigated to dashboard page. This is our test case. Okay. This is the same thing we are going to implement our first test case in our framework. So for login, right? Just give here a login feature, login feature. Okay, login dot feature. Okay, login feature. Under pages, right? Under pages, what I can get? Login pages, login page dot cy dot js. Okay, step definitions. This is our test case, right? Login dot login login step. We'll write login step. Mhm. Mhm. We can have login steps, right? Steps dot cy dot js. Okay. Login feature, login page. So we'll follow some standards. Login steps. Okay. In our first feature file, we'll start with feature. Okay, feature name, login functionality, and we will give the description. Okay, feature description. Okay, it is suggesting something. Okay, I'm giving this feature allows user to log in with their credentials. Okay, now no background. First, now scenario. We'll start with scenario. What is the scenario now? Log into the application. Application. What is the application name? Orange HRM, right? Orange HRM. With valid credentials. Okay, this is my test case scenario given. Okay, launch the application. Enter username in enter username as admin. Okay, admin, and enter password as admin123. Yeah, and click on login button. Then verify. I should be user. Then verify. I should be redirected to the dashboard page. Okay, this is our test case, guys. This is how we create the test case in the feature file. Okay, this is a plain English language. If you want to know more about what is BDD, what are the dependencies, so what is Cucumber, what are the Gherkin keywords, what are the Gherkin keywords, Cypress installation dependencies. So please watch. Please watch my previous video. You'll get more information. This is our test case first. Okay. Before going to the test case, okay. First clear. Go to the step definitions. Here, one thing we need to do: import. Okay. Use this import given and from Cucumber processor steps. Okay. From here only. Okay. Okay. Now, so these are the Gherkin keywords we are getting from the plugin Cypress Cucumber processor steps. Okay. Now given. So copy the feature file from here. Given launch the application. So given this is the application. Okay, this is our given test case. Now when no, okay, we will add enters username and password. Here I have created two steps, right? Okay, when user enters username. Okay, here enter username as okay string, pass the string, just give the username. Okay, enter password, right? You give the password. Guys, we are designing the Cypress framework. It includes feature file, pages, and step definitions. Everyone knows, right? Feature file, we are writing the plain English language. Page objects. Pages means page objects. Step definition means test cases. Okay, right. This is our test case. Right, guys. Now, launch the application, username and the password. Click on the login button, dashboard. So this is our test case. Now, we need to create the elements for this one, right? First, launch the URL. Go to pages, create the page class, login page. This is our class. Export default new login page. Okay. Under this one, try to add the locators first. Okay. How to add the locators? Username, input, password input. Next, name, login button. Yeah, these three only is required for now in this page, right? What and all in this page it contains? One is username, one is password, login button. Now get the element, name, username, right? Input, password. First, I am collecting the locators, right? So we are maintaining the locator separate, method separate, in everything in the pages only. But if tomorrow no something changes, no, it is easy to modify things. Name, password, button. Type submit, right? Button, type submit. Now add here. Okay. Now first thing is here we need to create the methods now. Okay. Okay. visit launch application, launch application. This is the first method. Okay, launch application is first method. Here, enter username. We need to pass the text, right? Enter username, enter password, click login button. Okay, these methods we added here, these methods. Okay, now these are the methods we added. Guys, here one more thing. In my VS Code, right? Some code is generating automatically, populating. This is because of GitHub Copilot. I already integrated with the GitHub Copilot. That is the reason you are seeing some suggestion of the code or automatically it is grasping and it is providing. It's a prototype of the code, but everything we are adding in picking from the application. Okay, launch URL. How we are going to launch URL? Cby dot. See cby dot visit visit y dot visit. See, it is giving suggesting the code, but it is giving prototype, not exact our application. Sometimes it will take, it can't read everything from our application. Okay, now enter username. How you are going to enter username? Cby dot get this element, get this dot username input, username input dot type, right? This is how it creates. Cby dot get this password, right? This is correct. And coming here, cby dot this dot login button, click. This is correct. Okay. Now I have created the login page. Under that login page, what are the required locators I added? The required methods I added. Okay. Now go to our test step. First, you launch the application, right? What you'll do? See, can you see? Cy.visit. No, not cy.visit. Launch application. Something it is coming. Okay, but here go and check. Enter username. Okay. Enter password. Okay. Okay. See why this is coming is this is coming because we can't access the methods. But due to my GitHub Copilot, it is suggesting. So instead of that, first we need to access our page to our this page to our login step, login test case. Okay. Here import login page, login page, login page from pages slash login page. Okay, the login page. Now I imported the login page. Copy this login page. Go here, Control V, dot. See, can you see? You are seeing some methods, right? So you can access now these methods. Okay, login page, launch application. Okay, so directly you can't access. This is the correct one. Okay, launch application. Now here, enter login page dot. I'm not seeing enter username. Okay, copy this. I'm not seeing the suggestion, but copy this one. Enter username. Username. Login page dot. Enter password. Password. Now go here. Login page dot. Click on login button. It should throw the auto suggestions. Okay, now after clicking on that one, it will navigate to the next page, right? Just create dashboard page. Just create .js file, dashboard.js file. Okay. Export default dashboard page. Now here, pick the locator. None of an element is matching, right? Dashboard. Text. This is the locator I captured. After this, try to create the element. Verify dashboard page. Okay. See where I get this data should be visible. Text dashboard. Yeah. Okay. Now, same thing I need to import here. Import. Now go here. Dashboard page dot. Verify dashboard page. Okay. Now launch the browser. PXI press open. So we have created one page object for login page and the dashboard page. Try to execute it. Feature file. See, it is giving can't depends cannot find dot pages login page. Here, whatever we are providing is the correct one. The problem is here, I put the floor brackets, right? I have removed it. Now it started working. Now it started working. Okay. Username, enter password as password, right? Okay, here the thing is, it should be login page here, right? See here, the mistake was I gave the parentheses floor brackets for this one. When I removed it, it started working. Okay, there will be minor issues only. Okay, there will be only minor issues. So once we review the pages, right, everything will look good. Okay. Now verify dashboard page. It is giving this error, right? What is that error? See, it is telling dashboard page itself is not a function. Okay. Dashboard page.js, right? Open this page, flash dashboard page. Export default and new. It should be new dashboard page. Okay, can we check now? Yeah, our test case got passed. Okay, still it is loading, no issues, but our test case got passed. See, can you see here? Our test case got passed. You understood, guys, how we implemented the page object here? Hmm? See, here we are following a feature file. One is login feature, dashboard page, step definitions. This is how we are going to create multiple test cases. So this is very simple, right? Oh, next we will create the report also. Before that, yeah, before that, I will show you one more thing. See, we are using here login page dot application, right? And go to our login page. Here, what can we do, right? Copy this one. Mm, one second. Yeah, okay. Here, one more thing. Okay. So I'll go here. I will start rerunning it. See how test case got passed, right? However, here we are working with only a single application, right? Copy this URL. So go to config.json file under end-to-end. What I can do right here, just provide base URL. Base URL. Okay. Yeah, this should be in double quotes. Okay. Yeah, here once you mention here base URL, in order to mention your framework everywhere, like for each and every test case, no need to mention everywhere. So by default, it will pick from here from base URL. So that is the advantage when once you start using base URL, right? You go here, go to login page, just provide slash here. That's it. Just save it. Okay. Okay, base URL, right? Okay. Yeah, is it okay now? Yes. Okay. Mm. Now see, I'm launching the URL again. I'm launching the test case for running. Okay, cby.visit. Okay, base URL, I will try to check it. Right now it is not running. So what we'll do, right? You go to feature file and just go with the cby.widget with the URL. Okay. Now can we run it? Yeah, it launches the browser. Here by default, now Cypress waits for every 4 seconds for every of the element. Cypress waits for 4 seconds by default. So these are auto waits capability. Cypress is having auto waits capability. This is one of the great thing. See, our disk has got possible. This is the Cypress framework part 1. So here we are covering pages, page objects, step definitions, and login feature. A lot more we will create. We will create more test cases. Okay. I hope this session is very helpful, guys. If you find this session is very helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.